Hi, I'm Sue Brum, co-owner of CETech. Every year around tax season, businesses are focused on things like financial reporting, sending documents to accountants, and preparing filings. But there's something else happening during this time that many organizations don't realize. Tax season is also prime time for cybercriminals. Why? Because this is when businesses are moving a lot of sensitive information. Financial records, employee data, text documents, banking information, and the attackers know it. During tax season, we typically see a big increase in phishing attacks and email fraud targeting finance departments and business owners. The emails are designed to look legitimate. They might appear to come from your accountant, your payroll provider, the IRS, or even your own internal finance team. They often ask for things like copy of tax forms, updated banking information, wire transfers, or log-on credentials for financial systems. And they're written in a way that creates urgency. Something like, please send this before the filing deadline, or we need information today to complete your return. When people are busy and under pressure, it's much easier for attackers to slip through. Another common attack during tax season is invoice and payment fraud. A criminal gains access to an email account, often through a stolen password. Then they monitor conversations quietly for weeks. Eventually they step in at the perfect moment and send a message that looks like a normal business request. Something like, please send the payment to this updated account, or here are the updated wire instructions. By the time anybody realizes what happens, the money is already gone. The good news is that most of these attacks can be prevented with a few basic controls. First, multi-factor authentication should be enabled on all email and financial systems. That alone can stop many account takeovers. Businesses should have clear verification procedures for financial requests. For example, any change to payment instructions should be confirmed through a separate phone call. Third, employees should be trained to recognize phishing attempts and suspicious requests. And finally, organizations should have monitoring in place to detect unusual login activity or suspicious email behavior. Tax season is already stressful enough without adding a cybersecurity incident to the mix. Taking a few extra precautions can make a big difference. Because for cybercriminals, tax season isn't just about filing deadlines, it's about opportunity. The businesses that stay vigilant are the ones that avoid becoming the next victim. Contact us now to understand how to better protect your business. Thank you.